I'm Michael Coca, Head of Digital Commerce at Revolution Nutrition. I scaled our Amazon channel from zero to tens of millions in annual revenue in just 2 years. Everything I'm sharing comes from real execution. Let's dive in. Today I want to talk about what actually drives sustainable growth on Amazon. One of the biggest lessons sellers learn is that traffic alone doesn't scale a business. Systems do. Start by nailing operations early. Make sure fulfillment, inventory planning, and forecasting are solid before pushing aggressive marketing. Stock out skill momentum and hurt the ranking, so availability really matters more than most people realize. Approach advertising with purpose, don't just spend. Structure campaigns around your product lifecycle, launch, ranking, then profitability. Separate branded and non-branded campaigns, optimize using real search key terms, and consistently cut wasted spend. Another major growth lever is repeat customers. Think about bundles, promotions, subscribe and save, and your overall post-purchase experience. Increasing lifetime value makes scaling far more sustainable than chasing one-time buyers. Finally, expand strategically. Don't launch everything at once. Scale ASIN by ASIN so each product gets proper attention, inventory support, and optimization. Real growth on Amazon comes from consistency. Small weekly improvements across operations, advertising, and customer experience compound faster than most sellers expect.